Hi, so the difference between ESS, HL, and SL is that ESS, HL is a lot harder, and it's including things like economics and ethics, which is other humanities subject. Okay, the assessment process, so there is ESS being a mix between science and humanity. There is going to be internal assessment, an IA, and the IA is essentially the student would do their own experiment and then write it up. And then that's the piece that they will be doing sometime at the end of their year 11. They have feedback from teacher, and then they will rewrite it and submit the final one sometime in the end of first semester in grade 12. The paper 1 and the paper 2, you have multiple practice of it as a unit test in class. You have mock exam in year 11, mock exam in year 12, but essentially the score from paper 1, paper 2 come from the final exam with the IB, right? The difference between HL and SL in terms of paper 1 and paper 2. So paper 1, for both HL and SL, you're receiving a resource booklet. So it will be like all the information about the country of Nepal, for example. And then you will be answering questions that related to those information, graphs, data analysis. Paper 2, so for paper 1 is the same for HL and SL, except HL is going to be longer. It'll be 2 hours instead of 1 hour. Paper 2 though is quite different for HL and SL. You have 2 sections. Section A is like short answer about some database, and section B is the essay. So yes, you have to write essay for ESS, which a lot of non-native speakers find it quite difficult. And for HL of ESS, you have to answer 2 sets of essay questions, and you only get about an hour and a half to write multiple page essay. So that's the difficult once you go to HL. Also, ESS HL is more in depth, so it is challenging. ESS SL though, quite doable. The paper 2 is only 2 hours, meaning you got about 1 hour for the short answer questions, and then about 1 hour for the essay section. And you only have to do 1 essay questions instead of 2. That's it.
Okay.